Bedroom furniture vocabulary. A bed is the main furniture where people sleep. Mattress goes on top of the bed frame for comfort. Pillow supports your head during sleep. Blanket keeps you warm at night. Dresser has drawers to store folded clothes. Closet or wardrobe holds hanging clothes and other items. Key bedroom furniture items. Bed is essential for sleeping and resting your body. Mattress provides cushioning and support under your body weight. Pillow rests under your head and neck. Blanket covers your body to maintain warmth. Dresser stores clothes in organized drawers. Closet provides space for hanging garments. Basic bedroom furniture layouts. Place the bed against one wall to save floor space efficiently. Position dresser directly opposite the bed for visual balance in the room. Put closet near the room entrance for easy clothing access. Add pillows to create a comfortable seating corner when space allows. Core bedroom items. Bed serves as main furniture for sleeping every night. Mattress fills the bed frame to provide sleeping comfort and body support. Pillow gives soft support specifically for head and neck positioning. Blanket provides essential warmth covering over your entire body during sleep. Storage bedroom items. Dresser contains multiple drawers designed specifically for organizing folded clothing items. Closet functions as built-in wardrobe space for hanging longer garments and clothes. Some beds include convenient underbed drawers for additional hidden storage. Nightstand offers small shelf or drawer beside the bed. Sample bedroom layout arrangement. Dresser positioned at room entrance opposite closet area. Central bed placement creates main sleeping focal point. Pillows and blankets organize neatly at bed foot end. Nightstand provides bedside essentials storage on opposite side from dresser. Furniture placement tips. Center bed along longest wall and balance with matching nightstands on both sides. Place dresser directly opposite bed, leaving 30 to 36 inches walking pathway between pieces. Position closet near room, door maximizing both hanging rod and shelf storage capacity. Add pillow seating area at bed foot, creating cozy relaxation space. Furniture care tips. Dust bed frame and dresser surfaces weekly using soft microfiber cloth only. Wipe closet shelves with slightly damp cloth, then dry immediately to prevent water damage. Vacuum mattress monthly and rotate position for even long-term wear distribution. Always wash pillows and blankets following specific care label instructions provided.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.